Hello guys, we're back again. Okay, so trying to get the van to my friends, but nah, that's not gonna work because he's got no space. So what I'm gonna have to do is try and do as much as I can where I am. So I'm just gonna check some more bits because I think the timing belt was gone. As with these engines, there's a wet belt system which is famous for shredding the belt. So what I'm gonna do is try and check some other ways of how to see if that is the problem. So what I'm gonna do is first try and do the smallest bits as much as possible. So I'm gonna check the sump. So what I'm gonna do, take the sump, join the oil, and see if there's anything in the oil that will indicate that the belt is shredded. So you will see shrapnels inside in the oil. So I'm gonna check that and see if there is nothing. Then what I'm gonna have to do is go in more details. So I'd have to come in the engine bay, strip off the side of the engine mount off, all of that stuff, and then go inside where the timing belt is and then check that, and then see how it goes. But from my understanding, from all the research I've done, this is a likely problem why it's not starting and why I'm getting just no compression, all that stuff. So I'm gonna see. So I'll have to strip out the headlight, all this stuff, airbox off, and get down to the side, which is down there somewhere on the side of the engine. Strip everything off, get into the underneath, take the sump off and check inside, and then we see how it goes. So I'll update you guys on what's happening. Alright, so headlights out, take off. So I'm taking as much as I can off. Taking off as much as I can for now until further investigation. So what I'll do now, I'll just go underneath, join the oil, get the sump off, and then I'll go from there. And then if I don't see what I need to see, then I'll come back up and I'll strip all the head off, the cams off, strip the side down where the belt is, and then we will see what's happening. Just draining the oil. I'll take the sump off all these damn bolts. There's about 1 million of these damn 8mm bolts. I'm trying to take them off, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, all in the sump, and look what we have in the sump. Oh jeez, that's all the belt shredded, everything shredded, hence why there's no compression whatsoever. So the belt is shredded. So this is not what I wanted to see, not what I want to see. So now I gotta go and take the whole side off now and see exactly what is what. If I don't know, mate. I don't know. So now I gotta go and check everything else. Hopefully the cam's all right. Normally the rockers get damaged, so I'll have to see how far the damage is gone. So now I know exactly. I know the belt is shredded, so hence why the compression, there was nothing whatsoever. So yeah, this is it. No compression. The timing belt is shredded up. It's all in the sump pan. Yeah. Alright guys, so now we know exactly what's happening. Well, not exactly, but majority of it. We know the belt is shredded. So now I just need to get some more tools because I don't have these tools. I just need to get the crankshaft puller that pulls off the crankshaft, and a tool to do the injectors, to pull the injectors, because they've never been pulled, well, for a long time anyway. So once I've done that, then I can lift the cams, and then I can see if any of the rockers are damaged, and then we'll go from there, and then we can assess everything and then repair. I'll update you another time.